I went to the fridge. I went to the fridge. What's in it? A pizza. Nice. I began to eat. Oh, in the mouth. It was lovely. Wonderful. It was then I noticed my dad watching me. And Dad said, "Hey, Mike, is my pizza in there?" "Oh, no." Come on, is it or not?" says my dad, getting a bit cross. "Get out of the way." Nothing. And then that really does it. He's roaring, "Would you believe it, the little pig? Oh, he's going to be in for big trouble." And suddenly we all heard a terrible noise. There was an awful yelling and crying. There was the noise of chains rattling and someone shouting. All his clothes were torn. There was blood on his face. I went to the fridge. I went to the fridge. Peach syrup. Not long after, a few days later, and drink some more. I went to the fridge. Fridge. Once I went to the fridge. Once I went to the fridge.
Once I went to the
drink. Once I went to the fridge, saw our tomato in there, and I thought, what's in it? A sus. What's sus? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. I think you know what I mean. Tastes nice. Lift the goldfish and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is peach syrup, tinned peach. What a drink. So I drank the lot. And drink some more, 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 and drink some more. Drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. What's in it? A sus. Yes, here we go again. Lift the jug and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. This isn't peach, this is... My mouth is full of oil. Thick cooking oil. I wonder who put that there. You can't catch me, I'm the speedy Haribo. Drink. I went to the fridge. Fridge jug things. Once I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and I thought, what's in it? A joke. What joke? Smell it. That wasn't very nice. Finger in, lick it, taste. All right. Lift the jug and drink. And drink some more, and drink some more. This isn't good. This is... My mouth is full of sus jokes. I wonder who put that there. I went to the fridge. Freaking fridge. Once I went inside the fridge. It's too cold. I want out of here. I try to unlock it. Shit, I'm stuck inside this horrible fridge. A few hours later, I want to drink. What's in this fridge? A syrup. Finger in, lick it. What the hell is this syrup? I went to the fridge. Fridge. Once I went to the fridge. Wonderful. And then we went to the fridge. Saw nothing in there, and I thought, shit, I'm going to go get food. So I went to the fridge. Went to the grocery store. When I got back and got the food together, my fridge was full once again. Once again. Once I went to the fridge again, saw everything in there, and I thought, I went to the fridge. I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there. Once I went to the fridge and I thought, what's in it? Fridge. What syrup? Fridge. Smell it. Peach syrup. Fridge. Syrup. Tinned. Fridge. Peach syrup. What a drink. Saw our jug in there. Fridge. Lift the jug and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet juice. I wonder who put that there. I went to the fridge. Once I went to Holland. Saw our jug in there and I thought, what's in it? Chocolate cake. What syrup? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Tastes nice. Lift the jug and drink a bit, but okay. Oh, one more. Yay. Oh, this is good. 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 This is peach syrup. Tinned peach syrup. What a drink. I was starving. All I had for breakfast was one drink. So I drank the lot. Not long after, a few days later,